The Last Lecture, a book co-authored by Randy Pausch, a professor at Carnegie Mellon University, and Jeffrey Zaslow, a Wall Street Journal columnist. The book is based on a lecture Randy gave titled, "Really Achieving Your Childhood Dreams," part of a tradition at the university where professors give last lectures, imagining what wisdom they would impart if it were their final talk. For Randy, it wasn't just an exercise. He had been diagnosed with terminal pancreatic cancer. Despite the heavy context, the book isn't about dying. It's about life, dreams, resilience, and leaving a legacy for others, particularly his children. Let's meet the protagonists of this story. Randy Pausch. Randy is the heart and soul of this book. He was a computer science professor known for his energetic and optimistic approach to both teaching and life. Throughout the book, Randy shares his experiences growing up, chasing dreams, and the lessons he's learned, which he hopes will be useful to his children and others. Jai Pausch, Randy's wife, Jai, plays a crucial role in his life and the narrative. While Randy remains optimistic and pragmatic, Jai represents the emotional weight of dealing with an impending loss. She grounds the story, showing the very real struggles that come with terminal illness, family, and partnership. Their children, Dylan, Logan, and Chloe, are Randy's 3 young children. They don't appear directly in the book, but Randy's deep love for them and desire to leave behind a lasting legacy for their future permeates the narrative. He crafts the lecture and the book largely as a way to communicate with them in the years to come. The places mentioned in the book: Carnegie Mellon University. This is where Randy spent much of his professional life, and it's where the famous Last Lecture was delivered. As a professor of computer science and human-computer interaction, Randy was deeply invested in his students and projects, which formed the backdrop for many of his stories about creativity, mentorship, and hard work. Pausch family home. Much of Randy's personal reflections happen within the context of his family home. It's the place where he spent his most treasured moments with Jai and their children, and where his thoughts about legacy, fatherhood, and the future take shape. Central concepts and themes. Achieving childhood dreams. One of the primary themes of the Last Lecture is Randy's belief in the power of childhood dreams. He begins by sharing several of his own, including becoming a Disney Imaginer and experiencing zero gravity. Randy reflects on the pursuit of these dreams, not simply as achievements in themselves but as life-changing journeys that shaped who he became. He encourages readers and viewers to hold on to their own childhood dreams and never lose sight of them, no matter how impractical or far-fetched they may seem. These dreams serve as guiding lights, pushing us to grow, strive, and learn. The brick walls metaphor. A recurring metaphor throughout the book is Randy's idea of brick walls. He explains that brick walls exist not to keep us out, but to show us how badly we want something. They separate those who are willing to put in the effort from those who give up. Randy provides several personal stories where he faced these metaphorical brick walls, whether it was in his academic career, his dreams of working at Disney, or in other personal goals. These stories offer a valuable lesson in persistence, resilience, and creative problem-solving. The message here is clear: don't let obstacles deter you from your goals. Instead, let them fuel your determination. Enabling the dreams of others. Randy emphasizes that while achieving personal dreams is important, an even greater accomplishment is helping others achieve theirs. He shares stories of his role as a mentor to his students and the satisfaction he derived from supporting others in their own journeys. He gives credit to his mentors and the people who helped him along the way, showing that nobody achieves success in isolation. This speaks to the importance of community, collaboration, and being generous with your time and knowledge. Time management and the value of time. A significant section of the book focuses on time management. Given that Randy had only months to live, he became acutely aware of the value of time. He provides practical advice for maximizing productivity, eliminating unnecessary distractions, and prioritizing what truly matters. He shares specific tips, like breaking tasks down into smaller, manageable steps, and using time efficiently, lessons that are valuable not just for those facing terminal illness but for anyone who feels overwhelmed by life's demands. The importance of fun and play. Even in the face of his illness, Randy never loses his sense of playfulness. He speaks often about the importance of fun, of enjoying the process of life, whether that's through work, hobbies, or relationships. Randy believes that if you have fun doing something, you'll naturally excel at it. He also emphasizes the value of creativity and imagination, which played key roles in both his personal life and career. Randy encourages everyone to nurture their inner child, never losing touch with the joy and wonder of discovery. Impact and takeaways. The book, and the lecture it's based on, resonated with millions around the world. While Randy was speaking specifically to his children, the broader lessons he imparted struck a chord with people of all ages and walks of life. One of the main takeaways is the importance of living life with purpose. Randy's story reminds us that while we can't control how much time we have, we can control how we use it. Whether it's by following your dreams, helping others achieve theirs, or simply making the most of each day, the last lecture challenges us to think deeply about our own lives and legacies. Randy's approach to life, despite knowing he had little time left, is incredibly inspiring. His optimism, practical wisdom, and dedication to leaving a positive impact is something that anyone can learn from. In this way, the book is less about death and more about the art of living. Conclusion. The Last Lecture is a timeless piece of wisdom. It's more than just Randy Pausch's farewell. It's a guide to living a life of purpose, joy, and compassion. It's an inspiring and deeply personal reflection on life's biggest questions. What do we want to achieve? How do we overcome obstacles? And how can we leave the world a better place for those who follow us? It encourages readers to reflect on their own dreams and what legacies they might want to leave behind, building on Randy's example of resilience, joy, and relentless pursuit of goals.